Like Hanuman was a simple monkey till he got connected to Ram. And his best came out. Vivekananda was a very, very ordinary, arrogant young man. He got connected to Ramakrishna. And he changed the way the whole world looks at Indian spirituality. So the path that I very deeply believe in is show them the gold that they are. And they will know what they need to drop in life. How many of you have heard of this guy called Andrew Carnegie? None of you have heard. Okay. Katrina Kaif? वो सुना है? रणवीर सिंह? Andrew Carnegie नहीं सुना? Okay. There is an extraordinary book which was written long time back, which spoke about what goes into creating top-class human beings. They did a survey of about 500 best human beings on this planet, and a guy called Napoleon Hill created this book called Think and Grow Rich, in which for 5 years he did research on 500 people to find out what is common to all of them. Now I won't go into those 7 points today, but I'll tell you the base of life of Andrew Carnegie. Andrew Carnegie funded this study, and why did he fund this study? He was born in Scotland in a house with tremendous poverty. His father had too many children, and the salary of the father was not enough to upbring all the children. So at the age of 14, he told Andrew Carnegie, I can't bring you up. Either you go work and bring some surplus money home, or go out and do what you want with your life. मैं तुमको फालतू नहीं खिला सकता. At that point of time, Andrew Carnegie left Scotland and go to America. Today we don't have time, otherwise I would have told you a very beautiful story around how all this happened. But to cut a long story short, in his lifetime, Andrew Carnegie, who left just with the clothes on his body, with no money in his pocket whatsoever, within his lifetime, he became the richest man alive on this planet. Now imagine today, whatever you are earning, would you even dare to dream that you can be the richest person on this planet? Andrew Carnegie started with zero. 14 years old, away from his family, and he went on to become the richest man on this planet. When Andrew Carnegie was asked, what's the secret of your greatness? How did this happen? I mean, what are the different things which is required? Carnegie said, I know only one thing. And that one thing I do well. He said, if you go to the road, you will find a person called the rag picker. Now, what is the rag picker doing? He will be collecting rags. Do you know what is a rag picker? वो रास्ते में देखा है कभी वो जो आदमी एक बैग रहता है, कुछ जो भी कचरा है सब उठा के इसके अंदर डालता है. Not the garbage picker, but the rag picker. Full day he'll work hard. In the night he'll go and sell all that he's collected, earn about 50-60 rupees, and run his family. Every day he has to collect these rags. एक दिन तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, he doesn't have savings. With fever he has to go and work, or maybe a crocin and he has to go and work. What is the rag picker's job? To collect what? Trash. Andrew Carnegie says, and then there is a gold miner. He goes to the gold mine, and those, any one of you, have you go to a gold mine like Kolar Goldfields in India? Okay. If you ever go to a gold mine, you will find it's almost like black soil. गोल्ड इधर एक बंगड़ी, इधर एक नेकलेस, ऐसे निकला हुआ नहीं उधर कि खोद रहे हो रहे और नेकलेस मिल गया, चल ठीक है. In fact, you don't even know there is gold inside. You have to filter it multiple times. You bring 10 tons of gold ore, and it comes down to about 1 kg of gold. Filter, 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 filter. Andrew Carnegie says, the second kind of a person is a gold miner who looks at the gold mine, believes there is gold inside, does not stop till he finds gold. Now imagine you took that 10 tons one day and you got 1 kg of gold out of it. Now next morning, do you have to go to work? You don't have to, right? You have enough now. Then you go to work because it's your passion or you want more. But a rag picker has to go and work every day. You can't do this. This is wrong about you. तुम ऐसे क्यों बैठे हो? अरे ऐसा क्यों किया? What is my work? I am being a rag picker. I am only able to see trash. तुम में ये ठीक नहीं है, तुम्हारे में ये प्रॉब्लम है, अरे तुमको यहाँ चेंज होना चाहिए, अरे तुम सुन क्यों नहीं रहे हो, तुम ऐसे क्यों बैठी हो? What is it that I am able to see? Trash. I think my job is, I should demotivate you, show you what is not okay in you, make you feel guilty, and I become the master. नालायक, अब मेरी बात सुन. अभी मैंने प्रूव कर दिया तुम नालायक हो, अब मेरी बात सुनो. That is the rag picker style. But the rag picker every day has to work. On the contrary, I can be a gold miner and I can tell you, even if you are a taklu, इधर बंजर भूमि है ना, अंदर बहुत फसल है और उस फसल से हम सफल हो जाएंगे. I want to only see the gold. And I want to convince you there is gold inside you. And the day you are convinced, लग रहा है मेरे अंदर gold है, then all obstacles becomes opportunity, only increases determination. Then you become like Arunima. लड़की है, पैर कट गया है, लेकिन दिल में घृणा नहीं उन लोगों के प्रति कि जिसने तुमको ट्रेन से तोड़ दिया, उसके वजह से मेरी जिंदगी ऐसी हो गई. अरे उससे मेरे को क्या फायदा होने वाला है किसी को बद्दुआ देके? That's trash. See, trash exists. But what do you want to think about all the time? Gold or trash? Revolutions happen when the focus is on the gold. And then the trash starts falling away. And that's what Andrew Carnegie says. I am a gold miner. I am not a rag picker. I don't have time to complain about my father, complain about Scotland, which is so cold, complain about being alone, complain about being a child. ठीक है, वो सब है. लेकिन जोश और जुनून के संग जिंदगी में क्या करना, चलो बताओ. Now who can stop you? Nobody can. So the idea is, let us be the gold miners and not the rag pickers.